This is a 2014 Ford F-150. I am Nick Skiba here at Snowy Mountain Motors with another fantastic vehicle tour. Oh my goodness, this is an XLT in Sunset Metallic. It has the bench seat, as you can see the console part's down. Mileage wise, 67,000 miles. Can you see that there? Let me zoom in a little bit and zoom a little bit. Yeah, okay. Anyway, sorry for the craziness. Trying to get this one done before it starts to rain, and it's starting to rain, doggone it. So anyway, beautiful truck, 18-inch wheels, tonneau cover. Look at the box here. I mean, there's no scratches. I mean, okay, there's scratches, but like, really? This is, I think it was just a large trunk for the person. Tires look, Tires are there. Who knows, maybe we'll have them replaced by the time you buy this thing. There's your dash, and your seat looks good. Back seat's huge. I mean, you can't beat an F-150 for rear seat legroom. It's just numero uno. Yeah, so the tires are alright. They're not great. But that might change by the time you come. Sometimes they'll like do stuff to these vehicles after I film them, you know, and then they don't tell me, and that's always kind of fun. If you're looking for a nice used EcoBoost F-150 XLT trim, got your rig right here. My name isn't Nick Skiba at Snowy Mountain Motors.